Hello and welcome to Kulkarni Laboratory. In today's session, we will see how to determine the hardness of water sample. So, what is hardness? The hardness of water is basically due to presence of salts of calcium and magnesium. In this particular determination, it is nothing but your complexometric titration. The EDTA, that is the titrant which we are using for the titration, it forms the complex with calcium and magnesium ions in water, and when the indicator, that is either erichrome black tea, that is added at pH 10, so wine red complex is formed, and this solution is titrated against EDTA, which extract the calcium and magnesium from the dye complex, and the dye is changed back to the original blue color. That means blue color is the end point of the titration. So we'll start with our practical demonstration. The reagents required are EDTA 0.01 molar, then ammoniacal buffer pH 10, and the indicator is erichrome black tea indicator. Now we'll start our titration part. Here we have already filled the burette with 0.01 molar EDTA. Now this is the unknown sample which we are using for the determination of hardness. Now let's take 50 ml of sample from the bottle. Now before starting the titration, shake our bottle carefully for uniform mixing and pour this sample into a beaker, and from this beaker we are going to pipette out the sample. Take around 50 ml of sample from the beaker. And transfer it in a clean conical flask. Now add ammoniacal buffer drop by drop till the solution from the conical flask will get pH of 10. This test, or you can say this step, can be confirmed by using the pH paper. The pH paper will indicate itself whether the 10 pH is attained or not. So here you can see the 10 pH is attained. Now add erichrome black tea indicator. Now add a pinch of erichrome black tea indicator. Here you can see it's a wine red color. Now we will titrate it against 0.01 molar EDTA. Titrate cautiously and carefully, drop by drop, till the end point is not attained. Now here you can see the end point is detected. So this is actually the end point of your titration, that is pure blue color. We'll note down the burette reading for the calculation of total hardness. So this was all about the titration of hardness. Now we will see the calculation of it. Now this is the calculation part, total hardness as calcium carbonate. The titrant which we used 0.01 molar EDTA, sample volume is 50 ml, burette reading is 6.1 ml, and the factor, which is factor of standardization, it is 1. Now this one factor comes from the standardization of 0.01 molar EDTA. This factor is calculated as the practical normality divided by theoretical normality. So 0.01 molar EDTA divided by again 0.01, that factor will come out to be 1. But for the standardization video, which we are going to cover in our next video, now this is the formula of total hardness. Burette reading into factor into 1000 divided by ml of sample. So 6.1 is the burette reading into 1 into 1000 divided by 50. This 1000 is for milligrams per liter calculation. Now the result comes out to be 122 milligrams per liter. So this is actually the total hardness of our water sample under examination. So this was all about the total hardness parameter of water. Keep watching our videos and we'll share you more and more informative videos on water as well as food samples also. So thank you.